Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. I'm sure when you think of air fryers, you think of french fries or egg rolls or even chicken wings, and yes, I make all of those things in my air fryer too. But it's funny to say this, hot-boiled eggs have become a part of my morning routine because it's so much faster than any other method. It's the only way I boil eggs now. I can get them started and walk away to finish up watering the plants in my garden. You can eat the boiled eggs as it is, or I like to season it with salt and pepper. My kids' favorite is egg fritters. I have given the link for the egg fritters in the description box below. Don't get me wrong, I still love making hot-boiled eggs in my Instant Pot, especially because they peel so easy. But for time saving, the air fryer wins. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and yummy recipes. Let's get started. All we need is eggs and an air fryer. In my air fryer, I am selecting an air fry option and set the temperature for 250 Fahrenheit and time for 15 minutes. If you want your yolk to be softer, do it for 15 minutes, or if you want to be little firmer, do it for 17 minutes. Time may vary depending on the model of your air fryer. Let it preheat for 2 minutes. Mine will preheat itself. Place the eggs in the tray or basket and cook for 15 minutes. Place the egg gently. Don't pack the eggs in the tray or basket. This method works for 1400 to 1700 watt air fryer. Might have to cook longer for smaller air fryers. The preheating is done. Place the tray in the middle row and cook for 15 minutes. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell icon. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. It's ready now. Let's open the air fryer. Look at the eggs, it's not cracked, it's perfect. Put it in a cold water or in an ice water bath to stop the cooking, or even run under cold water and peel it right away. You can refrigerate the boiled eggs without peeling it for a week. One trick to peel the eggs easily is take a mason jar or any container, drop the egg in a jar and close the lid and shake it gently. Ta-da! It's ready to peel off. Let's cut the egg. Look at the soft yolk. If you want little firm, do it to 17 minutes. Remember, every air fryer works differently. If this is your first time trying this, try 1 or 2 eggs at first. If your eggs didn't cook through, increase the time. Just have to play around with your air fryer. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.